Tortilla Espanola. Spanish omelet. A main dish from Spain. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Heat the oil in a large nonstick frying pan. Step 2. Saute the onions over medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes or until soft but not brown. Step 3. Drain the onions in a colander, reserving 2 tablespoons of the oil from the pan. Step 4. Cook the potatoes in boiling water for 4 to 5 minutes and drain in the colander. Step 5. Beat the eggs in a large bowl and stir in the onions and potatoes, add salt and pepper to taste. Step 6. Heat the reserved oil over high heat in a heavy nonstick pan or well-seasoned cast iron skillet. Step 7. Add the egg mixture and cook for 2 minutes or until the bottom is lightly browned. Step 8. Place the pan in a preheated 400-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the egg mixture is set. Invert the tortilla onto a round platter. Step 9. Cut into wedge-shaped slices and serve with a salad. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.